Ladies and gentlemen, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Kansai International Airport in Osaka, Japan.
September 5, Night 1. We boarded a plane from Naiya and landed in Kansai International Airport after 4 hours. Note that Japan is 1 hour ahead of Manila. Upon landing, we followed the direction of our fellow travelers and hopped on the airport's free shuttle service that led us to the main terminal. Again, we followed the direction of our fellow travelers until we reached the immigration check. Kansai International Airport is the world's first offshore airport that is built on a completely man-made island in Osaka Bay. We first picked up our 4G SIM card at this EasyGo service center before finding our way out. Ensure to align your arrival with the date and time of your pickup. Not all pickup centers are available for 24 hours, and you wouldn't want to be lost without a Wi-Fi or data connection. Japanese toilets are well known for being highly electronic. Their smart toilets provide users with many functions through just a touch of a button or a sense of the hand. In front of the Terminal 1 placard on the right side are the entry gates to either Nankai or JR train lines, while on the left side are the ticket centers. After securing our train tickets, we proceeded to the entry gates or ticket machine. Soon after, we boarded the train that passes by the nearest station to our hotel. To summarize, from Kansai International Airport, we rode a train via Nankai Line to Shin-Imamiya Station. We then walked at least a kilometer from such station to Tsutenkaku Tower. We continued walking until we reached our hotel. Please note that I don't advise walking if you have just arrived from the airport, you carry heavy luggages, you haven't eaten yet, and you are new to the place. In short, don't do what we did. If your budget permits, you may take a taxi or bus instead. We arrived at the hotel before 11 o'clock in the evening and we went straight inside for self-check-in, whereby each room is provided with a secured mailbox. Inside the mailbox is a key box which contains the room key. Password of both the mailbox and the key box are sent via email once booking is confirmed. The room key also allowed access to the hotel's lobby. I must say, although the room was quite confined, the space was well maximized and we liked how complete the amenities were. Compared to other hotels we've checked, this was quite affordable. It was actually a good price to pay considering that the location was accessible, the neighborhood was peaceful, the room was clean and neat when we arrived, and again, the amenities were complete. The only exception was there was no service water. Anyway, if you want to save money on food for breakfast and lunch, plan ahead so that your arrival is in the evening like we did. You may also bring light, solid cooked food to save more.
Ano mo ata, sensor siya. Sige mo.
Ay, joke. Tama ba?
Tama.
Dito.
Susi
baliw. Susi.
Hindi normal.
Akala ko ito.
Hindi normal pa po namin yung room namin. Wow! Ang cute!
Cute.
This is so cute.
Ay, grabe.